Hello, and welcome to Nadi Academy, the place where your journey to confident and joyful English begins. I'm Nadia, and I'm so glad you're here. My goal is to guide you, step by step, as you discover the joy of expressing yourself naturally in English. You'll find that I speak clearly and at a comfortable pace, making it easy for you to follow along and practice with me. Today, we're focusing on a question I hear all the time. How can you possibly practice English every single day? Maybe you feel you're too busy. Maybe you feel shy. Or maybe you think you need to live in an English-speaking country to make real progress. Let me tell you a secret. That's not true. You don't need to move to another country or find a native speaker to talk to every day. What you truly need are small, sustainable habits. Habits that fit seamlessly into your life and make you feel more comfortable and confident each time you speak. So, let's start with a powerful technique that is at the heart of the Nadi Academy method, shadowing. You might be wondering, what exactly is shadowing? In simple terms, it's like being an echo. You listen to a native speaker and you try to repeat what they say exactly as they say it right after you hear it. You focus on the rhythm, the music, the feeling of the words, not untranslating or understanding every single word perfectly. Let's try it together. I'll say a short sentence, and then you repeat it. Trying to copy my tone and pace, my turn. I am capable of learning English. Your turn. You repeat closing parenthesis, my turn. My consistency is my superpower. Your turn. You repeat, my turn. I am becoming more fluent every day. Your turn. You repeat closing parenthesis, wonderful. That's the essence of shadowing. It might feel unfamiliar at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to train your ear and your mouth to work together in English. Now, let's move on to 5 practical strategies you can start using today. These are the kind of simple, smart steps we champion here at Nadi Academy. Strategy 1. Immerse yourself in daily listening. Think of listening as the foundation. Your ears need to become familiar with the sounds of English. The good news is, you can do this anywhere. Listen to podcasts like this one, enjoy English music, or watch short videos on topics you love. You don't need to understand everything. The goal is to let the language wash over you. Even 10 or 15 minutes while you're commuting or doing chores makes a significant difference. Strategy 2. Activate your voice with shadowing. Now, transform that passive listening into active speaking. After you hear a sentence you like, pause and shadow it. Repeat it out loud. This is where you build muscle memory for pronunciation and fluency. At Nadi Academy, we often say, if you can hear it, you can learn to say it. Strategy 3. Switch your inner monologue to English. This is a powerful shift. Start talking to yourself in English inside your mind. Begin with simple observations. The weather is nice today. I need to send an email. This coffee is hot. This practice builds a direct pathway in your brain, bypassing translation and helping you think directly in English. Strategy 4. Read aloud to build confidence. Reading aloud is like a workout for your speaking muscles. Choose a short text-to-news headline, a paragraph from a book, or even a social media post. Read it slowly, then again with more flow. Imagine you're explaining it to a friend. This combines reading, speaking, and listening as you hear your own voice for powerful learning. Strategy 5. Weave English into the fabric of your day. Here at Nadi Academy, we believe English should be lived, not just studied. Here are a few ways to do that. Change your phone's language to English. You'll learn practical words without even trying. Keep a one-sentence journal. Each night, write one sentence in English about your day. Follow social media accounts that post in English about your hobbies. Label items around your house with sticky notes in English. The key is to make English a natural part of your life, not a separate task on your to-do list. Small, consistent actions create remarkable results over time. Thank you for joining me at Nadi Academy today. Remember, your fluency journey is unique and every small step counts. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, keep practicing. And remember, you can do this. The key is to make English a natural part of your life, not a separate task on your to-do list. Small, consistent actions create remarkable results over time. But I want to pause here for a moment and address something very important. Many learners feel frustrated when they can't speak perfectly right away. They know the grammar rules. They have a good vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, the words get stuck. Does this sound familiar? If so, I want you to know that you are not alone. This is one of the most common challenges we work on at Nadi Academy. The bridge between knowing English and using English is built not with more grammar, but with practice that focuses on comfort and ease. It's about creating a safe space for yourself to experiment, to make mistakes, and to gradually build that muscle of fluency. Let's expand on one of our earlier strategies, thinking in English. I know this can feel strange at first. Your mind might resist. So, let's break it down into even smaller, more manageable steps. Don't start with complex thoughts about your dreams or your opinions on global politics. Start with the simplest, most obvious things around you. Step 1. The what do I see? Game. As you go about your day, silently name objects and actions in English. Look out the window, car, tree, man walking, dog, blue sky. In the kitchen, coffee cup, boiling water. Spoon, I'm stirring. At work, computer, email, my colleague is talking. Phone is ringing. There is no pressure to form perfect sentences. Just simple labels. This builds a direct connection between the object and the English word. Skipping the translation step. Step 2. Add a simple feeling or sensation. Once labeling feels comfortable, add a one-word feeling or description. Hot coffee. Good. Long meeting. Tired. Interesting. Podcast. Happy. Step 3. Form a simple sentence. Now. Try to put it together. I am drinking hot coffee. This meeting is long. I like this podcast. This gradual process rewires your brain to operate in English for daily life. It makes speaking less of a performance and more of a natural extension of your thinking. Now, let's talk about another powerful tool, the power of repetition and deep practice at Nadi Academy. We encourage what we call deep practice. This means instead of skimming through 10 different videos in one day, you choose one short audio clip or dialogue and you work with it deeply for a week. Here's how you can do a deep practice session with a 30-second clip. Day 1, just listen. Listen to the clip 3 to 4 times. Don't speak. Just focus on the sounds, the rhythm, the emotion in the speaker's voice. What is the general feeling? Is it happy, sad, excited? Day 2. Shadow the phrases. Now, start shadowing. Play one short phrase, pause, and repeat. Don't worry about perfection. Just try to mimic the melody. Day 3. Shadow without pausing. Try to shadow along with the clip in real time, like an echo. It will be messy. That's okay. This is where the real training happens. Day 4. Record yourself. Record your voice shadowing the clip. Then, listen back. Be a kind listener. Don't criticize. Just notice one thing you did well and one thing you'd like to adjust. Maybe your R sound was clearer today. Or perhaps you noticed you need to slow down a little. Day 5. Make it your own. Can you use one of the sentences from the clip to talk about your own life? For example, if the clip says, "I went to a great cafe yesterday," you can say, "I went to a great park yesterday," or "I had a great meeting yesterday." This is how you move from copying to creating. This kind of focused repetition might seem slow, but it builds deep neural pathways that lead to lasting fluency, much faster than constantly jumping from one new topic to another. Finally, I want to leave you with a thought about mindset. Your journey with English is not a race. It's a journey of self-discovery. You are learning to express a new part of yourself. There will be days when you feel amazing and everything flows, and there will be days when it feels difficult. On those difficult days, I want you to be your own best friend. Instead of saying, "I'm so bad at English," try saying, "I'm on my way. I'm learning." This small shift in language makes a huge difference in your confidence. At Nadi Academy, we are more than just a language channel. We are a community. We are here to cheer each other on. So, I encourage you to take one small action today. Maybe it's thinking 3 thoughts in English. Maybe it's changing your phone's language. Or maybe it's just listening to this podcast again and shadowing one sentence. Every single step counts. You are building your fluency brick by brick. And I am so proud of you for being here and committing to your growth. Thank you for spending this time with me at Nadi Academy. I'm Nadia, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you in our next episode. Until then, be kind to yourself and keep speaking your truth, one English word at a time. *.